ile siku tu Maru atakubali appointment yangu. Sikununua greens, sikununua matunda ya kutosha, sikununua nyama. Na si pesa nilibala. See guys, here we have a beautiful flowers, see. Guys, hello my good family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Robbie Esther 254. If you are new here, feel most welcome and consider subscribing my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. And for the remaining subscribers who have not subscribed my channel, kindly please go and check me out and subscribe. And for the subscribers who have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah guys, I thank God for the gift of life that He has given me. I thank God for what He has done for me. Yeah, because today I'm very healthy enough. I'm so grateful. I'm feeling wow, because God has given me a gift of life. I'm very happy. I'm very grateful, guys. Kindly guys, go and check me out as Robbie Esther 254. Yeah, and subscribe my channel. Watch until the end of it, and I will appreciate for that. Kindly please, I'm requesting, go and check me out. Subscribe my channel, guys. Show me love. Show me life. Yeah. Today, guys, I'm in a nature walk. I've go out for the nature walk, a small nature walk. So, guys, keep tuned. Watch my video until the end of it, and I will appreciate for that, guys. Yeah, that's what I can add from you guys. If you see here today, guys, there's a lot of cloud. You see. You see, guys, the rain will be raining soon because there's a lot of clouds. You see, black clouds. See, yeah. I'm in the nature walk, guys. Oh, guys, let me show you my beautiful flowers. You see, there's a beautiful flowers here. Beautiful flowers. See, these are beautiful flowers. Let me show you. See, these are beautiful flowers, guys. Some on the nature walk. I told you of the other videos that my father chased me from home, so I don't know what I can say, but I thank God for the gift of life that He has given me. I thank God. I'm healthy. I'm so healthy enough. That's what I can say, guys. I'm very healthy. You see, guys, we have a beautiful trees. See, have so many beautiful trees here. You see, guys. Yeah, and if you can see from far there, we have oranges, mangoes, a tree mango. Yeah, guys, you know, as in African here, we have so many oranges, so many fruits in African here. So what I can add from you guys, go and check me out as Robbie Esther 254. Kindly go and check me. Support my channel by subscribing, by sharing my video to your friends, and tell your friend go and search Robbie Esther and support my channel, guys. You know, you people, you are the one whom can make me to reach 1000 subscribers and 4000 watching hours. Kindly, please, that is my request. Go and check me out. Go and check me out, guys. Support my channel. Support my channel. Yeah, and I will appreciate for that. Yeah, guys. I thank God for what He has done for me. I'm so grateful. Yeah, that's what I can say. Yeah. Next time, guys, we are opening the school, and I don't have a school fees. Kindly, I don't have a school fees, and an examination money I don't have. So, guys, next time we're going to open the school on firsts. Yeah. What I can say, guys, support my channel, and I have like $40. $40. That is the school fees, and the examination money, the fee, the money, the balance that have remained is like $12. That is 12 Kenya shillings, guys. That's the Kenya shillings, yeah. What I can urge from you guys, go support me. Go and support me. I'm a student. I'm in college, guys. Yeah, I'm in college. I'm not in primary school or secondary school. I'm in college. Yeah. Go and support my channel. Support me. Support me. And I will be happy on that. You see, guys, here we have what we call Rantana Kamara. You see? Don't know that is the name of it, but go in comment section, comment there the name of this one. You see? Yeah, and I will appreciate for that, guys. Go and check me. I've told you today I'm in nature. You see? I'm in a nature walk. This is the road. So guys, go and check me out and support me, and I will be happy on that. Keep tuned, watch my video until the end of it. Yeah. And I will say thank you for supporting my channel. Forgive me, like, comment. Yeah, and I will be happy on that. That's what I can say. If you can see behind of me, there's sweet bananas, a tree of bananas. You see? Yeah, guys, that's what I can say. Go and support me, and I get for 1000 subscribers and 4000 watching hours, and I will appreciate on that. So guys, keep tuned, watch my video until the end of it, and I will appreciate on that. As I told you earlier, I'm in the nature walk. You see, here are some beautiful maize, beautiful plants. You see, we have a lot of maize here. We have a big forest there, if you can see. Have a big forest. You see, guys, I told you I'm going to the nature walk today. So I'm walking here and there. Kindly keep tuned, watch my video. So guys, I've reached at the river. Let me show you, so keep tuned. You see, guys, there's some arrowroots there. There is arrowroots. You see? In our language we call it nduma, but these are arrowroots. You see, guys, wow, amazing. See? I'm on the way, guys. These are the leaves of the arrowroots. See the look of it. The other day, I was having another man. He showed me these arrowroots, the leaves of these ones here are the veggies. I don't know whether it's true or false, but let me hope so. This is the look of the arrowroot, the leaves of it. You see? You see, guys? Yeah. Hey, guys. We have a big forest here. We have a big forest. Big forest, you see. See, guys, have a big forest. Guys, today I told you today the rain will be raining very soon. You see, there's a black clouds up there. A black clouds. You see, there's a black clouds. So guys, keep tuned. Very soon I'm going to show you a very nice river. That is the water flowing from up to downwards. So guys, keep tuned until the end of it, and I will appreciate for that. You see? I will show you the road that I will be using so that I can reach in that river very fast. So kindly keep tuned. Keep tuned. This is the rough road that I'm using, guys, so that I can reach at the river. You see, guys, we have a beautiful river here. You see? Have a beautiful river. You see? I've not seen a good road that I can get, then I reach at the end of this water. But I've shown you, you see, from far there, the way. Have you seen it? This is the flow of this water. It goes like this, up to down there. Have you seen, guys? Even there's some sand here that people remove from this river. Then they collect them up to here. You see? Okay, guys, let me go back. Let me go back. You see, there's a good, nice river here.